Launching anything in your business can be stressful and immensely time consuming. So in today's video, I want to share with you a few launching tools that I have used to really make my life a lot easier when I'm launching something. Hey guys, my name is Trina and welcome to another episode of Just the Tips. Here on my channel, I help lady business owners figure out this crazy online world so they can have more time doing the things they love. And when you're launching something, you're not doing the things you love because you're so wrapped up in all the tiny pieces to launching. So let me share some of my tools that I use to automate my launching process so I'm not wanting to rip my hair out for weeks. If you are interested in learning about any of these tools, I have them linked down in the description box below, and some of these tools are affiliate links, so if you do decide to sign up for them, I do get some money, so thank you if you decide to sign up. If not, these are all tools that I use, recommend, and this is not sponsored in any way by any particular tool. The first tool is Teachable. So I use Teachable right now to host all of my courses. It's just nice to have everything housed in one spot. It allows you to have a sales page. Another option is Thinkific as well. So you can go to either one of these platforms and really price out what it's going to cost for you. You'll want to look at the fees that they charge to pay out, the credit card fees, the monthly fees, to really figure out which one is right for you. Like I said, I do use Teachable. It works for me now. I do think some of the fees they take out are a bit high, but I haven't really had the time to look into Thinkific just yet. The next tools I'm going to talk about are social media schedulers. So if you watched last week's video, you know I talked about Buffer and Tailwind. I love Buffer, especially when I'm launching, because I can put in all of these social media posts, even on Twitter and Facebook, so that I can set it and forget it. At the beginning of my launch, I can put everything in and they'll automatically go, and that's something I don't have to worry about. The same thing with Tailwind. I constantly want to have pins going onto Pinterest so people can find me. Pinterest is one of the biggest traffic sources to my website. I think it accounts for over 65% of traffic. So definitely during a launch phase, I want to have those pins going to get people to my website so that they see I have this launch happening. The next tools are all for capturing emails and capturing leads. So one of the tools I use is Lead Pages, and this is a tool where people can sign up and I get their email. So my Lead Pages is linked to my ConvertKit. Lead Pages does not house my emails. It collects them and then sends them to ConvertKit. With Lead Pages, you can just customize your landing page. You can add video to your landing page, and you can also make thank you pages as well. ConvertKit is my email provider, and you can create landing pages with ConvertKits. I'll show you an example on the screen right now where I just have a button, and when you put your email into those boxes, it automatically goes to ConvertKit. So you wouldn't necessarily need Lead Pages. I signed up for Lead Pages a few years ago, and so for me to get off of Lead Pages, it's going to take me some time to get all my landing pages figured out and hooked into ConvertKit the right way. But I use these two particular tools to capture emails when I'm launching so I can send them through an email funnel. The next tools are the tools I use to get organized. Again, I'm going to tell you Trello. I create different boards for different things. So I have a board for Q1. So I know in Q1 I'm launching. Then I have a specific board for launching. Then I have a specific board for the course. So I know what I need to update, what needs fixed. It just keeps me so much more organized. I can see it when I'm out, at a coffee shop, or if I'm traveling, or if I'm at my parents' house and I have a few minutes to see what do I need to get done next week. So Trello is a huge time saver, especially when it comes to launching. You need to know what's next. If you get something done, you need to know what's the next thing that you can do. And I also love my Post-its and my wall calendar. You guys, this just keeps me organized. I'm a visual person. I can see this is when it launches. These are the different things that need to happen. You see on this calendar, I have different video series, and then the small tab is my Facebook Live, so I know when I'm going live, what those lives are. If you plan these out in advance and you know what they are, it just saves you so much time, and you can just look at that calendar and know, okay, time to go live. My question of the day for you is, what are some of your favorite business tools, whether it's getting organized, or launching, let me know your favorite business tools down in the description box below. If you love hearing behind the scenes here at Trena Little, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe for more business tips like this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!